Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of the tire skin, and this time it's gonna be somewhere in the middle, I assume. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're gonna start out with his eyebrow. So it's just gonna be, it's kind of like a mean brow. We're gonna draw in almost like a check mark. So slant down and just kind of do a little check mark. And then on the end here, just kind of slant it down. Okay, so the other side, same thing. Check mark, and at the end, just kind of go down slightly. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna come, give it a little bit sharp point. I know it's kind of small, might be hard to see, but just kind of go up and then come back down. I know my Sharpie's a little bit sharper today. It's a new Sharpie. Okay, so go up. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in his eyes, which are going to be really simple. So right underneath the eyebrow, we're just going to draw in, it's almost like an almond shape. It's going to be nice and big, so just draw in a curve. And draw the bottom one, the same thing. So there's no details in the eye, so we just leave it like that. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in his nose. So just around the corner of the eye, just come down. To a little mark, and then I'm just gonna close it off with a little bit of angle, and then let's keep going down to draw his mouth. So his mouth is just gonna be one line across, and on the corner of the mouth just drawing like two little marks like this. And then for the lower lip, we're just gonna draw one little line right underneath. Alright, so those are his features, and now we can draw in the rest of the face. So we're going to start up here and draw in a line across for his bandana. So we're going to go all the way across. And then let's just go up and just give it into one section. So it's just going to be one rectangle. Okay, and then from here, come in slightly, and we're going to draw almost like a bracket around the eye, and this is going to be the facial hair, the kind of sideburn coming down. And then we're going to go in right underneath the eye, and then we're going to curve around, so another bracket around the lip. Okay, and then from there just draw like a sharp angle toward the middle. Alright, so that's the inside here, so now we're going to draw the outside. So just come to the edge here, just going to come all the way down, straight all the way down, and just draw like a little angle, and then just kind of connect that. Okay, so let's go up, and let's finish up the hair right here. So right in here, draw a little angle, so that's gonna make a little triangle here, and then there's gonna be a little bit of facial hair right underneath the lips. So I'm just gonna draw another two lines like that. Alright, so let's move up to the hair. So for the hair, we're gonna draw in the little strand on the kind of in the middle first. So come to the middle, just off to the side a little bit. We can just draw a little line, and then on the bottom, we're just gonna draw one angle like this. And then on the top, let's go up and then just connect that. And then on this side, it's going to be slightly smaller, one little angle. Same thing here, go up, just curve down, close it off. Okay, I know it's a little bit weird, but he's got kind of a messy hair up here. Alright, so we're going to come up, just draw like a little angle like this one of the hair strand, and then we'll go up, come down, just go all the way down, just connect that. Okay, and then on this side, 1 and 2, and just kind of close it off. Alright, and then let's finish it off with his ear. So his ears are kind of bigger, so right on the side of the eye here, and the eyebrow, just go up, slant up, and then just come back in nice and big. And then from the corner here, just draw one little line like that. So that's going to be the inside of the ear. So now let's move down to the body, and we're going to draw in the collar first. So here's his neck, just come straight down and then angle it in toward the middle. And then for the shirt collar, just come up here, come out, and then just go right behind the head. Okay. And then now for his little jacket collar here, we're gonna draw this slightly different. It's a little bit tricky, so just come down here in the middle. Slant up, and then we're gonna come down. And then from the top here, just draw one line coming down and just close that off. So this is gonna be one big collar. So coming down, close it off. And then we're gonna draw in the little button here. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky. And then now we're gonna continue this this jacket here. So we're gonna come straight down. So this is gonna be the length of his jacket. Come back to the shoulder, right around the neck area here. We're gonna slant out. So same thing here. And then on this side, we're gonna pinch it all the way in. Just close that off. So that's one side. But then on this side, he's gonna have a little bit of a ripped jacket here. So I'm just gonna add in a little bit of zigzag all the way down here. It's gonna be his armpit. And then from here, we're gonna continue on. Close that off. And then let's finish up on the his shirt inside. We just draw one line, so that's easy. And then let's draw in his belt. And then here's the buckle. Okay, and then for, let's draw in the inside first. So here's the shirt, the little zipper all the way down, one line down the center. And he's got a little bit of a pattern here. So it's just gonna be like a V shape. Then after you draw one line, just draw another one exactly the same below it. And then let's see the patterns on his jacket. So just come out here, two lines. And this one's gonna go up. This one's gonna go down. And then come across. Okay, so same thing here, come across. One goes up, down and across. And then one line just kind of go this way. So right around here, just come across. I know it's a little bit messy, but once we color it, it should make a lot more sense. And on the bottom here, we're just gonna draw two lines. All right, so let's move on to his arms. So his arms are a little bit messy too, because it's gonna be, his jacket's a little bit ripped up. So right here, here's the armpit. So here's his shoulder coming out. Just gonna give it a little bit of a little zigzag. And then straight line across. So this is actually gonna be part of his jacket. And then here's his bicep. So one bracket. And then it's gonna be ripped up here. So I'm just gonna draw in. Okay, a little zigzag. And then for his lower arm, I'm gonna come back here. Here's his elbow. I'm gonna slant out. This one's gonna come out a little bit more because it's got some hair growing out. Then I'm gonna pinch it in. And then just close that off. And then let's just add a couple of lines here so that it doesn't look so weird. So it makes it look like fur. Okay, and then let's draw in his hand. I'm gonna draw his claw. I'm gonna slant out. And just close it first, so it's gonna be part of his glove. Here's the back of the glove. And here's the inside of palm, just slant, and then just close that off. And then his thumb, we're just gonna go 1, 2. So 1 and just close that off. And then his finger, so we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. So just kind of curl it. Okay, and then we're gonna draw, come back up here. Close that off. And there's a little bit of room here, so we're gonna draw one more finger. Just come in and just go tuck it in behind that finger. And then we're gonna see the fingertip back here. All right, and then for the detail on the glove, we're just gonna draw in one little bar like that. All right, so let's move on to the other arm. So the other arm is, see this guy's jacket comes all the way down here. So here's his armpit. Shoulder coming down. And again, bracket. And then again, I'm gonna come out and just draw like some zigzags. Inside, flare out, and this side's gonna go out more. Come in again, just pinch it back in. Close it off. And again, let's add some lines here. So it look like fur. And then let's see, his hand's gonna be the same, so just come out. Draw like a little hook. Back of the palm. Come across and then just close that off. Alright, and then his thumb again. 1 and 2. Just kind of go, I'm drawing the outside first, but it's all the same. And then here it's gonna be 1, 2, and 3. Come back up here, give a little bit of room. Come down, 1, 2, and just close that off. And then same thing here, I'm gonna go 1 and just kind of tuck it behind. And then we're gonna see the tip right behind it. And same detail here, one little bar. All right, so let's move on down to his legs. So in the middle here, it's pants. Make a little point, draw one line. I'm gonna go back to the middle, draw another line. And we're gonna start here. Just come inside the jacket a little bit. Come down and just kind of curve it in. Right here, we're gonna start right here. Down. And then for his knee, just one bracket. Okay, so let's move on to the other side first. So again, come in from the jacket. Start here. And again, bracket for his knee. Okay, for his lower leg, it's just it's part of a jean, so it's not too much detail. So we're just gonna go out, pinch it in, and then just kind of flare back out slightly. And then we're gonna close it off with a curve. So this one, we're just gonna come straight down, and this one's gonna go out slightly, a little bit more. Just drawing his sneakers, just close it off, and then one line for the sole. And in the middle here, we can draw the laces, but I'm just gonna draw a little bar like this. All right, so same thing here. Come out, pinch it in, and then flare it back out slightly. Close it off with a curve. Come down, you can use the other side for reference. One section and then a little bar here. Okay, and then finally, let's add in some little bit of detail on his jeans because it's got some ripped parts here. So we'll just draw a little angle. Just kind of come down and just draw these kind of random zigzags. Again, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. And then this one, we can draw in a line like that, and on the bottom, just kind of go out. And we can draw in, see, two lines like that for his pocket. And then on his knee, just It's a little bit detailed, so I'm just gonna draw 3 lines like that. One in the middle and then just 2 more top and bottom. And that is it for this dire skin and this half wolf style. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.